What's up, YouTube? John Fax here again, back with another video. Well, actually, just got back from out of town for seeing my siblings and stuff like the fam and stuff. So it was nice seeing them. Shout out to them. It was fun out there. We had a lot of fun. We had did a couple of challenges and stuff, and we did that little boosty challenge. I think I put it on my I put it on my YouTube short if y'all want to check that out. It's on that, and we had some fun out there. It sucked that we had to come back because gotta go to work. Ain't up there yet on YouTube where I can just do what I want to do. So I gotta go to work, go back to work, starting Monday and this and that. So I'm tired from that, but I got a different shirt on. Either wear the white tees, So got the Marvel. All the Marvel characters, just about. I can name most of these characters, but let's get back to the video at hand. Today is gonna be a surprising. I got my first pair, I might even wear my first pair of white Air Force Ones. It's my first pair, so this is my real first pair. So if you saw in the other video, you will know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna tag it at the end of this video. My first pair. Real Air Force Ones. Look at this. Man, it's nice, man. Nice. Look at this. Real crispy. And it smells good too. Cause at first I was trying to order this and I couldn't even find, you couldn't even find these, Like they be so expensive and stuff. I finally got them now. Shoot. I had to cop them before. Cause they be running out now, like, you can't even find these, This is my first pair. Cause on my other, the first pair I ever had that was fake. Like, you could tell it was fake because these soles kept ripping and tearing up. These don't supposed to rip at all. Like, and tear up, like it's peeling and stuff like that. So that's how you know it's fake. It's my official pair. I'm gonna wear this with honor. I'm probably not gonna wear these like that anyway, because I don't want to mess them up. I hate, it's all white. It's all white and stuff. You can't really, That's why they say get more than one pair of these Air Force Ones and stuff. But I'm happy I got them, I finally got a pair of Air Force Ones. So, back in business, I'm gonna wear them, I'm gonna rock them. When the weather nice and stuff, more nicer and stuff, I ain't gonna be walking no mud. I'm gonna make sure these are good, cause I don't wanna I don't like messing my shoes up. I keep in good condition. Anything I wear, I keep in good condition. I got a lot of clothes that I don't wear, so I like to stay fresh and stuff like that. I get my hair redone because it was sweating out when I was out of town and stuff. So it was fun though, So hey, I just want to make a quick video. Stay tuned for more content. I've been like kind of slacking on the YouTube because I've been doing Facebook Reels, I'm getting money from that too. I'm trying to get money from this social media, some extra money. I'm gonna save up. I got big things coming, more pranks, more activities, so stay tuned. My subscribers, I appreciate all y'all, stay tuned for more. John Fax out.